Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue south on Interstate 95, beginning at mile 219 in Howland, Maine in Penobscot County. We enter the town of Edinburgh, incorporated in 1835. The town is part of the Bangor Metropolitan Statistical Area and had a population of 134 as of the 2020 census, an increase of 36% since the turn of the century. The town was named for the Scottish city of Edinburgh. Tree Farm Road, aptly named, lies at the heart of Edinburgh and reflects the extensive network of logging roads in the area. The Penobscot River, along with the appeal of rural living and proximity to the University of Maine and Bangor, has likely spurred recent development. In 2005, observers noted new lots being cleared along the river, suggesting a possible rebound in Edinburgh's population after a decline during the 1980s and 1990s. We enter Argyle Township, an unorganized territory with a population of 255 as of the 2020 census. It's worth noting that an unorganized territory in Maine is not dependent on population or area or even proximity to a large city. It's simply an area that doesn't have any kind of municipal government or services. Argyle was incorporated as a town in 1839 and deorganized just under 100 years later in 1938. Residents of this mostly wooded community value their privacy, with many mobile homes set far back from the road. Land use and development in Argyle are overseen by the Maine Land Use Regulation Commission, which acts as the township's planning board. The Commission focuses on protecting sensitive natural areas and ensuring that development aligns with established standards. We crossed the southeast corner of the town of Alton, which was incorporated in 1844 from a portion of what was Argyle Plantation. The town had a population of 829 as of the 2020 census. Despite being an independent municipality, Alton lacks its own zip code and post office. We enter the small city of Old Town, the first incorporated city we've encountered as we've driven south on I-95. Old Town has a population of 7,431 as of the 2020 census. Old Town's developed area is primarily located on Marsh Island, surrounded by the Penobscot River to the east and the Stillwater River to the west, though its boundaries extend beyond the island. Historically home to the Penobscot Indians since 1669, the area was originally known as Panawamskik, meaning where the ledges spread out. In the 20th century, textiles, shoes, and paper making were the backbone of its economy, but the decline of these industries led to a steady population decrease over the past 40 years. The Georgia Pacific Paper Mill at Great Works, once a key employer, closed and was sold in 2018 to the Hong Kong-based Nine Dragons Company. The new owner announced plans to renovate the mill for long-term operation, intending to cut costs significantly and extend its life by another century. Before closing in 2015, the mill produced about 155,000 tons of bleached hardwood kraft pulp annually. Old Town also benefits from its proximity to the University of Maine in Orono and the presence of the Old Town Canoe Company, which attracts business and visitors to the area. enter the town of Orono, named after Chief Joseph Orono of the Penobscot Nation, a respected leader who supported the American Revolution. The town has been home to the University of Maine since 1865, established as a land-grant institution, and is the state's flagship university. In fall 2018, the university enrolled 11,404 students. According to the 2020 census, the town's population, excluding university residents, was 11,183. We passed through the western edge of the town of Veazie, which had a population of 1,814 as of the 2020 census. Veazie, covering just 3.4 square miles, is one of the smallest municipalities in Maine. We enter the city of Bangor, the county seat of Penobscot County. We'll talk more about Bangor in the next video because we'll be taking the upcoming exit 187 to our hotel for the night, as this will be our last video for the filming day of August 9th, 2023. We'll conclude today's video here at the Hilton Garden Inn, and we'll be back with filming from August 10th, 2023 in our next video. Thanks for watching. Special thanks to our channel members shown on your screen here. Please consider joining them to help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos. Membership starts at $1 per month, or it doesn't cost anything to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, and join us for our next 504 road trip.